Why should I feel discouraged? And why should the shadows come? And why should my heart feel lonely and alone? For heaven and home, when Jesus is my portion, our constant friend is here.